2024 is finally here, which that means we are gonna be a little delulu and manifest all the things we want into our vision board. But also, this is a guide on how I make my digital vision board come to life. So first things first, in order to bring our vision board to life, we are gonna need to choose a color theme or a color scheme, you know, just colors that all go together and blend nicely. And you know, that's the Virgo inside me, because if you don't choose a color scheme, then you're just gonna pick random pictures and then they might just clash together, the colors. Some pictures might be cool tone, some pictures might be too orangey. My color scheme, if you guys can't guess, it's pink. Basically, with my theme that I already know is the color pink, I am gonna go ahead and look for pictures that are in the undertone of the color pink. But now that we're talking about pictures, we are gonna move on to the second step of our digital vision board creation. For those wondering, where does everyone get their aesthetically pleasing pictures? I'm gonna tell you the answer. It's Pinterest. Pinterest honestly has a lot of great aesthetically pleasing content. So when it comes to my vision boards or just things that I want to get ideas to make, like baskets, I always go to Pinterest. Pinterest is the way to go. I'm gonna show you the basics when it comes to Pinterest, and let me show you guys the logo of Pinterest just for those. I mean, I know most of you guys don't live under a rock, but for those that don't know what Pinterest is, this is the Pinterest logo. It's just a P with red and white. So I'm gonna show you guys the basics on how to use Pinterest. When you want to search something up, I mean, you guys could clearly see my history. I just put organized makeup aesthetic and things just pop up in that category. So let's say our goal for this 2024 is to drink more water. I would put water bottle aesthetic, pops up, and then you know, you have a lot of nice pictures of girls holding water bottles. I would do that, but to be honest, I have old lady hands. I'm not blessed with those soft, smooth hands. It's just my genetics. So I just have like really bony fingers. This is something like I'm so insecure about, but no, we're gonna be confident this 2024. But now that you guys have the basics on how to search something up, let's move on to how to save a picture. So, you know, we're just gonna get that pink water bottle because my aesthetic of this digital vision board is gonna be pink undertones. There are 3 dots on the top right corner of the photo. You'll press that and then it says download image, copy link, report pin. So obviously we're gonna click the download image and then it just automatically saves. But I already saved you guys the hassle, and I did this off camera because I did spend 1 hour on this. But I have my designated album where I put 2024 and put all the pictures that I want to add to my vision board. Now let's move on to AirDrop. With AirDrop, if you want to make this your screensaver for your iPad, then this is a perfect way. But I also recommend you do your digital vision board on your computer. So what I am gonna do is AirDrop my pictures to my computer, and I don't want to assume that most of you guys know what AirDrop is, because not a lot of people know what AirDrop is, and I'm always like, AirDrop me the pictures, because for some reason when you use AirDrop on the phone, the quality of the picture does not downgrade or the resolution doesn't get lost. So that's why I prefer AirDrop. It's like you're getting the same exact picture with no resolution loss. What you're gonna do is slide the top right corner of your phone. You know, when you got all those settings of the flashlight, the sound, the brightness, you click and hold the left top square right here, and then it says AirDrop off, receiving off, contacts only, everyone. So you're gonna turn that on. Once you turn that on, you are ready to go. So now that we turned on our AirDrop, we're gonna go to our album and select all of our pictures. You know, just scroll all the way down and then press that share button, and right there it says AirDrop and the name of your Mac should appear. So you just go ahead, click it. It says it's waiting, and my computer is receiving the photos already. So now comes the fun part where we get to collaging and adding all our pictures and seeing how we want the layout. But before we open up the application that I use to make my collages, we are gonna do something in order to know the dimensions of our display. In order to do that, we're gonna do Command-Shift-3, take a screenshot of our wallpaper, go and look at the dimensions, and the dimension says it is this right here. So now that we have our dimensions, we could go ahead and use Canva. Also, before we open up Canva, this was my last year's vision board, actually for 2 years, and I am content that I've completed quite a bunch of things in here. So just a quick rundown. For last year's, well, 2 years ago, my goal was to learn to drive, and your girl is a driver now. She might have had a few crashes, but she is competent now to drive, and not incompetence, because I was scared the first couple of months and I actually did have a little bit of accidents, but I've grown from it. So we a changed woman, and we don't talk about that. Also, this is something that I haven't accomplished yet, but I am gonna be adding on my vision board this 2024. Here, what else I've accomplished? My money tree. I have a money tree here. Looking at it from here, it looks identical. The layout, obviously different pots, but I got my money tree. So your girl is gonna be rich and has been getting a little bit shmoney. So I feel like it has to do probably with placebo effect too, and manifestation. What in the English? But again, I did accomplish a couple of things in this, so I am content. But we are gonna go to Canva. So Canva is honestly one of the easiest tools I've used, also free and just easy. You could create an account and it saves your past collages. So if I press on projects, my past projects should pop up. Yes, look, my collages are here. Oh my god, it's just like nostalgic to see what were my thoughts last 2023 and 2022. But what we are here for, let's get back to work. Now that we're at the home page, on the top right corner it says create design. You're gonna click right there. We are going to create our own dimensions, so we're gonna press custom size. So here plays a part of the screenshot we took of our display. You could easily do this with your phone or your iPad as well. You just take a screenshot, you go to photos, then you press this info here, and then it tells you the dimensions. So, you know, just quick little hack. So here I lost some footage, but to sum it up, I started creating my collage, and here are some pictures I added. I added some perfumes because this year I want to focus on finding my signature scent. I also added this pink plant because I have manifested my money tree already, so I want to manifest these pink plants. These are the next plants I do want to get. They're called pink syngoniums. I think I'm saying it right. And then I added this girl with a bow because I just want to up my hair game. I want to make my hair voluminous, thick, and it also has that coquette vibes, and I just love it. Let's move on to money. This year I want to be more financially smart and save money, because I feel like last year, where did all my money go? I didn't do nothing and I had not much savings, so I was a little confused. And it's funny because I already had this mindset of what I want my vision board to have, and I've saved quite more money this year already, and it's only been like 2 weeks. I'm just like mind blown. Where did my money go? I do not know, but I just want to be more financially smart, so I have money. Another thing I didn't show you guys is that if you stack up pictures, you could easily bring a picture forward or backward, and with this specific picture I want to bring it forward, and that's exactly what I did. Now I have this girl with a trench coat because she is a vibe. I just want to be more stylish this year. It's not even up my fashion game, it's just wear my pieces, because I have this issue where I do not wear my clothes because I am saving it for a special occasion, and I'm always wearing the same sweats and looking bummy because I don't want to mess up my good clothes. So this year what I want to do is rotate my clothes, rotate my bags, and make sure I use all my items. And yeah, that's what we're doing this year. Then again, I have another girl with voluminous hair because we are gonna be working on our hair game. Now we have a vlogging camera because your girl is not gonna be scared of vlog in public this year. Yes, that is what we are gonna be aiming for, vlogging in public this year. Basically, this you could take on an everyday basis, not caring what others think. Whatever other people think does not reflect on your image. So that is something that I am striving for when it comes to vlogging in public, or just people's opinions. I've never really cared for people's opinions. It's more of anxiety while I'm outside. I just feel like everybody's looking at me and I'm like, stop looking at me. Even though when I'm not pulling out my camera, I just feel that anxiety, and I'm trying to work on it. Another thing I'm striving for is waking up at 5 a.m. but 6 a.m. is the new 5 a.m. So we're gonna be striving to wake up at 6 in the morning every day. I was consistent with it last year, but just halfway through. So I just want to stick with the 6 o'clock a.m. So we're gonna rotate her and fit her right here. Now we're pulling out a set of nicely freshly done nails. This year I'm also striving for pampering myself. I'm getting manicures done, and you guys get the memo with that. It's just, you know, being more on my feminine side. This might be a little like, oh, what is that? But I have some highlighters here that are aesthetically pleasing. This image is more portrayed to having my desk area organized, the drawers, and having nice bougie highlighters because I have hands like this, and I just want to be more aesthetically pleasing when it comes to my desk drawer. So that is what this picture means. So I did talk quite a lot about some of my goals this year, so let me just finish up real quick and get this done. We're finally done. Oh my god, it looks so good. But before I go ahead and save this and put this as my display, I do want to go ahead and thoroughly show you guys how to send forward and backwards an image, because with collaging I feel like it looks nicer when some pictures are forward, some pictures are backwards. So in order to do that, let's say you don't like that this picture is behind and you want to bring it forward. For example, this Empire State Building one, we're gonna click the Empire State and then some tabs pop up. So it shows 2 squares with a plus sign. That means duplicate. So if you want to duplicate an image, then it has the trash can, which is delete, and then the 3 dots. You click the 3 dots and then it shows you layers: bring forward, bring front, send backwards, send back, etc. So there you just go ahead and play with those settings until you like where your image is. So let's say I do not want to put it forward, so we're not gonna do it. Well, you guys get the memo. So now that this is done, we're gonna share it and download it. We could do JPEG, but it's suggesting PNG, so let's go ahead with PNG and we're gonna download it. And it's downloading. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this new vision board. I got a little tired of looking at the old one because again, I've had this one for 2 years, so it's just a little repetitive. So seeing these new things is gonna motivate me, and I just gotta make sure to have this new. And the image popped up right here. It's so pretty. Now to put it as your wallpaper, we're gonna press the Apple icon on the left top corner and go to system settings. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see wallpaper. Then again, keep scrolling until you see a little tab that says add folder. When you press the add folder, you scroll down the documents, find the collage picture we just created, and that's all you have to do in order to put it as your wallpaper. And that is a 101 digital vision board guide with Vanessa. I hope you guys had fun creating your vision board, and I just hope everything you put in your board is manifested into your lives and mine. and you accomplish most of your goals this year. I just feel like this 2024 is gonna be a good year. I feel it in my bones. It's tingling. It's just, you know, the 2024 new year, new vibes, new year, new me. But no, honestly, I feel like this year is gonna be a really good one, and we are gonna be accomplishing consistency and discipline. So I expect to see a little bit of me more, or maybe a lot of bit of me more. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a like, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys on my next one.